Logan. So today we're gonna learn about shapes, okay? All right, so first we're gonna watch this really silly shape video, okay? And afterwards we're gonna draw what shapes we learned. Does that sound fun? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the video. So which one's the square?
That one.
Good job.
Great! This is a triangle here.
Did you like that video? Yeah? Can you draw me some of the things you saw? What's that?
It's a circle.
Good job. Watch out with the marker on the carpet. I don't want your mom to get mad. What's that?
A square.
Good job, Logan. What's next? What's that?
That's a
Do you need help? Yeah? Okay. So we have a circle, a square, and a triangle. Okay? So what's the next shape? What's that one?
rectangle.
High five, bud. Good job. All right. So we saw some of these examples in the video, right? So do you see these circles, these shapes in real life? Yeah? Okay. So I have some real life examples. These are your favorite. What are these called?
Playmobil pieces.
Playmobil pieces, and they're your favorite toy ever, right? Okay. So if you had this Playmobil piece, which shape would it look most like?
Like a rectangle.
A rectangle. So put it under your rectangle. Okay. And we have this one. What's that?
This is a Lego
Yeah, that one's a Lego. But what shape is it?
square.
Square. Is there another shape on that Lego?
There's 4 circles right there.
There's 4 circles. Good job, Lolo. All right, and this crate, what shape is that?
It's rectangle.
It is a rectangle. Good job.
Rectangle is winning right now.
Mm-hmm. All right. And the top of his head, what shape is that?
A circle.
It is a circle. All right, now we have your whole policeman here, and I know that there's several shapes on here. Can you tell me what shapes you see?
But that's not a police officer. That's
Is it a postman?
no, it's an airport driver that takes people to the airport.
Okay, I'm sorry. Your airport driver. What shapes do you see on your airport driver?
We see his legs look like rectangles.
Yeah. Can you tell me about his shirt? What's on his shirt here?
Buttons
Okay.
and these lines and a square.
A square. What's in that square? What's that tiny little shape?
A triangle.
A triangle. Good job. You remembered it this time. All right. So we have shapes. They're everywhere around us. So you can find circles on the wall. Like, look, Aunt Sarah found another one right here on your garbage truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So today we are going to talk about shapes and real life connections, okay? So these are our shapes. Now, all right, back to work. Okay, so if we were gonna be in a classroom, this would be a group activity. So I'll be in your group with you, okay? So we are gonna make a logo out of shapes, okay? So I'm gonna pick a shape, and then you're gonna pick a shape, and we're gonna draw a logo together, okay? And then we can name our group, okay? So the shape I'm gonna draw is a circle, okay? Now you add one for our logo.
A triangle.
Triangle. I love it. Oh, but is that a triangle?
That's a triangle right there.
No. Okay. So remember what this block was? What was the block?
Triangle.
I'm proud of you for trying, but this is a rectangle, right? So a rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And our triangle, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so which shape out of these 2 did you mean?
I meant this is a rectangle. That's a triangle.
It is. Good job. Which one did you want for your logo?
The name?
Yeah, which shape? When you drew it, you said triangle, but you drew a rectangle. So which one did you really mean?
Rectangle.
You really meant a rectangle. Okay, so I'll leave your rectangle. All right. Now, what do you want our group to be called?
Family reunion learning.
Oh, I like that. Family reunion learning. Aunt Sarah and Lolo for the win. Spelled that wrong, but that's all right. All right, family reunion learning. All right, so this is what our group title is going to be. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to look around the room and we're going to find some shapes, okay? Now, since we had some problems with triangles, I want to find how many triangles? Let's find 2 circles, 2 squares, let's find 3 rectangles, and let's find 4 triangles. All right? All right. Go. You find the first one, and I'll find the next one. Ooh, what could that be, Lolo?
That could be some rectangle.
A rectangle. Oh, good job. All right, let's put it in our pile. All right. Aunt Sarah is going to find... I'm going to find a circle. So this is my circle right here. You see that? Oh. All right, your turn.
Right here.
Yep, that's clever. Clever boy.
That's a rectangle.
Good job. I saw that you had to think about it for a little bit. All right, so I'm going to find... What shape was this one? What did I just find?
You just found a square.
I found a square. All right, so we found 1 square, 2 rectangles, and a circle. What's next?
Triangle.
You want to find a triangle? All right, look around. Where do you see one? Look on the cross with your name. There might be one up there.
No triangle there.
No, I see one. You see the A?
Yes.
Look in the middle of the A. What's that?
Triangle.
That's a triangle. Good job.
All I just have to do is just think about it for a little bit.
You gotta think about it for a little bit. Now look, you see right here? What shape is this one? Aunt Sarah's gonna draw it. 1, 2, 3. It had 3 sides, right?
That's a triangle.
It is a triangle. I think we need to work on triangles more, baby. Is this one?
Circle.
Okay.
Square.
Okay.
Rectangle. Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. How many sides does a circle have?
No.
None. Right? It just goes in a circle. You were saying it. Don't doubt yourself, okay? You gotta believe in yourself, baby. Okay? Now, how many sides does a square have?
4 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay? Now, how many sides does this rectangle have?
4.
Good job. And how many sides does the triangle have?
3.
Okay. Now, you got that really quickly. So whenever you're having an issue trying to identify a triangle, just look at it and count the sides, okay? So we're going to get your shape real quick. Okay. So here's a shape right here. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, and if we go across, what's that?
That's
3. So what shape is that?
triangle.
Yes.
3 are passing out cake.
Okay, I love you. Please let me finish. Okay, so that would be a triangle. But see, you said rectangle again. How come? What about the rectangle and triangle is confusing you? Can you tell me?
It's just because they have the same name a little bit.
Because they both have the angles, or I mean like rectangle, triangle. Yeah, so that confuses you a little bit. And so I think that's a good point, because I don't think you're necessarily confusing the shapes. I think that you're getting, I'm sorry, baby. I think you're getting confused with the name as well. Okay, so, oh, Here's a good one. All right, so what's this one?
That one's a triangle.
Okay, how do you know it's a triangle?
Because I see three parts right there.
3 parts? Okay, and how about this window?
Rectangle.
Okay, how come?
Because I see that it has 4 sides on it.
Good job, Lolo. All right, now, here, this little part right here, what shape is that?
Rectangle.
Let's try again. 1, 2, 3.
That's a triangle.
A triangle. Okay.
It confuses me a lot.
I know, buddy. I'm sorry. Let's see. I don't think I see it.
There's a square right there.
Yeah, what other shapes do you see?
I see no other shapes. Instead, if you just look at like this, I see a rectangle right there.
A rectangle. This door is a rectangle, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this sticker, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't see very many triangles. I guess Aunt Sarah should have brought more triangles with her. Even in your police station. Oh. This is a triangle jackpot. How many triangles is Yoshi eating?
He's eating
So, here, I'm going to use the scissors as a pointer, okay? 1,
2, and 3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
He has 9 triangles. Now, look at all those triangles.
Eats all of them.
How many sides do all those triangles have?
About 3 squares, 3 sides.
3 sides. All right, Aunt Sarah needs to bring something over here for us to work more on some triangles. Okay, so now we found some shapes. We talked about the shapes. Now, what are these called again?
Rectangles.
Rectangles, and it has how many? What?
4.
4 what?
4 parts.
4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, we gotta remember that word, sides. Okay, so what are these called?
Those called sides.
Good job. And here?
Sides.
Sides. Okay, so if I had this, what shape is this?
A square.
Okay, and I go, what are these?
Sides.
Sides. Okay, so then this part, the middle part, is called the face. So we have the, what are these?
These.
Sides. What shape is this?
That's a circle.
Circle. Okay, now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 what?
4 parts.
4 parts, but it's 4 sides, okay? All right, and then right here is what?
The face.
The face! High five. All right, so now I want you to make your own triangle. You can cut it and do whatever you need. You can draw it first if you want, but I want you to draw a triangle for me. How many sides does a triangle have?
Only 3.
Only 3. Does a triangle have a what? A face. It does. Good job. Now, cut it out for me. Now, on your triangle, what are these called?
3
what?
3 sides.
3 sides. And what's this part called?
A triangle that has 3 sides.
And then a what? So what's this middle part called?
The face.
The face. And then we drew a smiley face on the triangle, right? With 3 sides and a face. Thank you for working with me. I enjoyed it. Love you.
Me too.
Thanks.